Hey guys, as you can see, it is one rainy day in Woodstock at the post office. I'm trying to get my mail together here, send some mail to Forever BFF and some mail to my girl. Yes, ESH guys. So with that being said, happy Saturday. Fury want to say hi? She don't want to say hi. Oh, anyway, let me let y'all go. We will see you later. CT305. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, we are chilling today. Today is a chill day. I'm about to go to Dollar General, then I gotta go, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and I have to go and get up a couple of things, and then I'm about to go also to the post office so I can mail some packages. Can't show y'all addresses, but some packages. Well, I can show y'all some cards though. One is going to and another one is going to and let's see, we got one package, there's another package, and we got another package. And so we'll be going to the post office also today, guys, and I'm going to take you guys along. You're going to be my witnesses that I know I nailed something. No, let me stop. But guys, thank you so much. We're about to head on into Dollar Tree. I'm going to take you guys along for a minute. And guys, I'm so sorry, but my camera must have acted a fool when I was trying to fix it as soon as I get in the Dollar Tree. So that's okay. We will have more opportunities. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Raining. So you know how that goes, guys. Warm and rain. But I wish we didn't have rain, but we do. So with that being said, guys, come hang out with us. So here we go. Here we go.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
Okay, guys, so we are back at the post office. We're about to mail some important packages. One to Forever BFF, another one, a card to my girl, ESH, and one to my sister. But with that being said, of course, you now see us back in the car again. But I just thought I'd let you guys know that we did go to the post office. Hey guys, so we decided to go for a little ride. We out, way out, but just checking out the scenery. I'm always trying to, enjoy the ride. Go out for a little ride every now and again and see what I can see. And just thought I'd let y'all know. Stop in to say, hey, what up? What it do? What it be like? And with that being said, hey, I will see you guys later on. Bye. Hey guys, so we got a little hungry, so we at the supermarket. We at Publix trying to get something real quick. Thought I'd let y'all know. As you can see, they got some good old fried chicken, some potato wedges, some onion rings, some shrimps. Thought I'd bring y'all along and let y'all check out some of the scenery up in Publix for a minute. All right, bye. Having my lunch on my break. Yeah, guys, having my lunch Don't want to break. Oh my goodness, my chicken falling out. I got me some chicken from Publix. And you see my chicken. Yeah, guys, some chicken. I got crumbs. Some fried chicken on your lunch is the best. Yum, yum. I'm looking. Hey guys, so I'm about to make just barbecue something. I got a taste for some barbecue. So as you can see, I have the charcoal, and I just opened up the bag flat, and making sure I soak my charcoal down, even the bag too, y'all. And I make sure my surroundings is nothing surrounding the area where it can catch on fire. Oh, that's my smoker right there. But anyway, I'm gonna get this fire going, and hey, I'm about to make me something barbecue. Talking about some barbecue.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your traveling ways and of listening to that jackass brain.
Now this is my hometown Chevetta sauce, barbecue marinade sauce. Yeah. So right now I'm putting it in the chicken in the pot. Okay. That's gonna be seasoned real good. Okay. And then I'm gonna put it on the grill. Well, guys, you see the barbecue's coming out pretty good. It was delicious. I forgot to show y'all my plate. I was greedy. Sorry about that. But I'm going to have to check y'all out with some more episodes of my, I don't know, life. TT305. I thank you guys so very much for watching. And hopefully you'll see some more excitement of TT305's life. Vlog, vlog, vlog. Bye, guys.